Herwig, thank you so much for joining us here at Empower 2024. Great to see you.
Thank you. Pleasure is mine.
The digital assets question has been one that's been raised on panels here at the event, and really just to sort of ask you to start with, how has the emergence of blockchain and the tokenisation of assets sort of had an important impact on this fund distribution space, really, and what have you seen so far?
Yes, in general, I think more than a decade ago now, they promised a kind of revolution with this blockchain technology. Obviously, that has not happened, but this notwithstanding, I think there is a clear evolution of using more and more distributed ledger technology and the tokenization of assets. So we at BearingPoint, for example, we help a lot of clients with looking in the possibilities that this new technology brings. We help them to tokenize funds and then put these funds on a blockchain platform. So it helps them to automate processes, to reduce costs, but most importantly, and that is often a surprise for clients we have, it also brings new business because it opens way to reaching new clients.
Technological revolution in that sense, and of what you're sort of opening their eyes to.
Exactly. Because I think this technology and also obviously artificial intelligence, they will prevail. In fact, this trend will increase, and so we will see more and more the funds industry moving to distributed ledger technology, to tokenization of assets, because in fact this helps to realize what I call the main drivers for the funds industry, at least the distribution part, which is in fact optimizing processes, automating processes, reducing costs, and reaching or increasing the global coverage of funds and of clients.
So that's technological innovation, if you like. Are you seeing any other significant transformations?
Well, there is one related for me to technology, but in a different way, and that is risk. So, for example, last year we had this collapse of a major cryptocurrency exchange, and I think this makes people more conscious of the risks that this new technology brings as well. And of course, there is the aspect of more regulation, but it is also related to the technology, of course. And I see a trend there that fund distributors are more and more trying to obtain a banking license. And so then they can, of course, offer new kind of services like credit services. So there also BearingPoint has helped clients and assisting them with how they can develop more banking services. Credit services is one of the most important. And then, of course, as they have to diminish themselves their own credit risk, the distributor can then also develop collateralization solutions. So this is, I think, something we will see more and more going ahead.
So with that in mind, you've talked there about the risks. What would you categorize as the key challenges then, and I guess solutions that you're starting to look forward to in those terms of how you do navigate those risks?
Yes, well, in the funds, we are not like in the securities world. In the securities world, we have now a target to securities. We have settlement in central bank money. In the funds industry, we don't have that. In theory, the funds could be settled on the target to securities platform and be settled in central bank money, but it's not really adapted, I think, to the business. And I doubt if it will ever happen. And so I believe more we will see this moving to bank services and trying to reduce risk with offering contractual settlement. Maybe Forex services can also be something that helps to reduce the foreign exchange risk.
You're here alongside 1,400 or so of your colleagues of the industry. How helpful is that to you when you're kind of exchanging ideas with that sort of amount of people, with that breadth of expertise across the whole value chain, if you like?
Yeah, here on the.
an impact.
I think it's very important. We every year we come because it's important first, of course, to do the networking, to find new clients, of course, but also with existing clients to take up contact again in a more relaxed atmosphere sometimes. And then also it's very important for me to see what is moving the industry, what are the problems they are facing, and then we also can adapt our service offering to that.
Perhaps gives you a view of what's on the horizon.
Exactly.
Well, good luck with those views of the horizon,
Okay.
Herwig. Great
All right.
to share your insights
Thank you.
today. Thank
That's
you.
nice.